on, guys? My 95 Chevy here. This is the other head. If you checked out the post that I put out, I think it was yesterday. This is how bad the other head looked. Like it's bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get started pulling these springs out, pulling the valves. We're gonna get all of that cleaned up. I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse while I do this, and we'll catch up to you when it's time to clean this thing up. Peace. Alright guys, got them all out. All the springs and valves. The valves don't look too bad. Probably just clean them up. Right here we got the keepers. Don't lose those if you do this. That's the spring compressor that I used. I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link for that. And then over here we got these springs that are going to be going in. So let's go get this thing cleaned up. She's nasty. She got to be cleaned up. We're gonna pull these valve seals out as well. We got replacement seals for those. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna get it set up on a time lapse again. We'll get this thing cleaned up. Alright, y'all. I scrubbed on this thing for probably a good 30 minutes. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm still gonna get this head gasket material off of here. So I'm gonna get my scraper and scrape the rest of that off, clean that up. There's still a little bit carbon in there. I'll clean that up. I've also still got a little bit of gasket over here. Clean that up too. And then I'm gonna let this dry, I think overnight, and then get back at it tomorrow. That way that super clean works a lot better, full strength. So get it cleaned up. Finish cleaning it up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and we'll get back with you when we get to cleaning again. Alright, y'all. We finally got this thing finished. Got all these springs back in. Got the valves cleaned up. Didn't want to bore y'all with all that. But we got this one finished up. I know I was supposed to put this video out a few days ago. I apologize for that. I've had a lot of stuff going on the last few days. But besides that, we got this finished. It's looking good. I know it still looks dirty on camera for some reason, but it cleaned up pretty good, really. My dang allergies are killing me. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all a follow up from where we left off. I wasn't going to bore y'all with cleaning it even more, so I just kind of skipped that. But yeah, I want to tell you guys thanks, man, for watching these videos. Thanks for the encouragement. I think in the next video I'm going to start doing the cam. I've got the oil pump, new chain. We'll get started on that. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys thanks. I really appreciate the support. If you don't mind, please share the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You know, that's all we ask for. It doesn't cost you a dime. Hit that like button, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks.